Look like I'm going through the building.
Yes.
I don't know. Let me see.
Sorry about that. Miah, you're not gonna go through the building.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. Honestly, there's no way you're gonna go through the building.
Okay. Now I got it.
Head, keep left.
Yeah, because for me, on the navigator is showing, it was showing very close. So,
After 300 yards, turn left. Turn left.
Too close.
I know. That's what I'm learning now. So yeah.
If it wasn't, I would let you. So only your safety is my safety.
Of course. Yeah. Sure.
After 200 yards, turn right. Then you have reached your destination. Turn right. Then you have reached your destination.
Should I park?
No, keep going. So I will give you direction myself. Okay. So just the side nav is done. The independent driving, and from
You have reached your destination.
here onward, I'll give you direction, brother. Yeah.
Yeah.
Go straight ahead. Yeah.
Sure.
And straight ahead. I would like you to park up anywhere on the left hand side. Yeah. we're gonna be carrying the emergency stop.
Okay.
Perhaps we can do on this road, but I'm just have to wait till that lady gets out of it. So I will say stop.
Yeah.
And you know how to do it, right?
I never done it, but yeah, okay.
Yeah. So have you watched some videos about the emergency stop? So you kindly have an idea of
Yeah.
what the examiner would expect from you.
Also, one child can go front of my car
Okay.
like that. Something.
I didn't say to drive.
Oh.
Yeah. So if you can wait to secure the car. Okay. Miah, drive off when you're ready. Stop! Drive off when it's safe to do so. Follow the road ahead. At the end of the road, turn left, okay?
Okay.
So follow the sign to barking.
Parking. Oh, you started from there. Now I know.
You know where you are.
Yeah, yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Goodmayes. Because I know this solicitor's farm because of my cousins, one of my cousin's brother.
Morgan himself.
Yeah, he works here.
At the mini roundabout, turn right. Miah.
Why she didn't stop?
No, we didn't stop.
But giveaway for me is giveaway.
But she already came out.
Okay.
So you had priority, but she
Alright.
came out and you didn't do anything about it.
Alright.
So and so I had to stop. So we're gonna go right to the next junction. Yeah, okay.
Sure.
Safety first, brother, yeah?
Yeah.
So at the end of the road, I want you to go straight ahead.
Okay.
And then at the crossroads, I want you to take a right. Left at the end of the road and then right at the next junction. And park up on the left side anyway, yeah?
Where can I do?
Okay, so that's the end of the mock test.
Oh,
How do you find of the overall your driving? You think you made any mistakes?
yeah, I made so many mistakes, I think.
So many mistakes.
Yeah.
So
So
can you remember some of them?
yeah, one on the roundabout I missed the right red signal to
Okay,
put
you forgot to
indicator.
signal. Yeah.
Put the indicator. Yeah, that's once I did that.
Yeah.
And then second, that pavement thing, I didn't know that's a pavement later thing.
Yeah. You,
Well, maybe I was not going over, but anyway, yeah.
Yes.
And that's second. And another one, you put the brake on that just earlier that car.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I should stop totally. I was
Yeah.
slowing down. I thought she's gonna cross over. So,
Yeah.
this is these are few mistakes.
Yeah, so what I'm gonna run you through everything
Yeah,
one
please.
by one, and although we have recorded and you will see the video clearly where the mistakes happened,
course.
and I will make a circle and I will mark it, and in that basically you can work on those errors, and then hopefully you should be fine. Overall, you have confident. I can see you love driving. I can tell that.
Okay.
And you have honestly high potential. I can see you're driven, but there is a couple of things that I would advise you, that I want you to pay attention to. Try to slow down somehow, perhaps, brother. Yeah, because slow down in general. Like you're overall driving, like don't feel like you have to rush, or someone is rushing you, or someone is putting you under a situation of you just have to hurry up. So all of that you can avoid by just enjoying the drive and relaxing a little bit. So a couple of mistakes that you've done,